is net vir die montage. So, on this new diet we're on, we're just trying to keep it quite healthy. Yeah. Nee, no?
Okay, ek gaan soos dit so inpak en neem dit net af. Okay.
Okay. I want it pretty great fruit special. We all love fruit. Yo, these bananas are tiny. I already took one of those. Yeah. Yeah, off the stock. I'm not sure. What? Yeah. We don't need that acidity in our lives.
Dat is nog bid oor vir die res van ons goed. So,
Okay. So they had a great special on meat at Food Lovers today. So we got a bit more than we should have on mince, but it's okay. And we're saving some money. So the goal with bodybuilding is to always save money when dieting, because dieting is freaking expensive, right? Dieting is very expensive. So looking for specials and saving where you can is always a bonus. So always try and do that. It's pretty cool. Comes in a bag. Comes in a bag. Sila rice. Sila, these muscles grow. That seems massive. A kilogram of cornflakes. I don't have Rice Krispies, so I'll have to substitute this week for cornflakes. But it is what it is. We carry on. We're almost done. Got a pretty full trolley. We're very blessed to be able to buy this amount of food. Yeah. Imagine having all this stuff and not being able to eat anyone.
What did he say?
Oh, goodness. That looks so good. Word. Oh, donuts. I love donuts. Yeah, this stuff is like death to a bodybuilder. So we saw these veggies and we thought it would be a good idea for lunch to get some nice veggies. I'm gonna make mince at home, but yeah, veggies are always delicious and these look awesome. Cheers. It's very busy here today. Everybody wanted to come and get their bulk on today. Oh.
Here I come.
Oh.
Here I come.
Yes! Yes! I've been looking for this for so long. The new Monster Zero Sugar. Monster South Africa, please sponsor me. That would be great. But I've struggled to find these, and now I finally have it. Spot something that shouldn't be there. You know, if you don't want something off the shelf, go and put it back where you found it. Not put your chicken breast among all the mints. Yeah, today we are very blessed. Oh, we forgot bags. We always forget bags. But it's like, am I even in the front? We always forget bags. So we're gonna pay quickly, and then go and get a coffee, and then we're going to go home. But my phone's almost dead, so I'll see you guys back home when I unpack it and explain everything, why I bought it, whatever. See you at home. Welcome back. We are back at home now. First of all, this is the first time I've ever packed out everything that we've bought for like weekly groceries. And I just want to say I feel very blessed and grateful because I know there's a lot of people that aren't able to afford this amount of food in a week, never mind even in a month. So I'm feeling very grateful. But sort of on the side, so if you stay in South Africa, you would know the water is becoming a problem. So recently we started buying water just because it's probably safer than the tap water that we get. And then one sugar-free drink. The Coke is for my girlfriend. So my girlfriend and I buy our groceries together. I buy according to my meal prep or my diet, and then she fills in with that. So most of this is food that I can eat on my diet, which she would also like to eat. But obviously, Coke is for her, sugar is for her. Then we have our chicken over here. This is for 2 of my meals. I love chicken, by the way. And we have a bulk pack of extra lean mints. Some baby potatoes. This I will be having in the afternoon with broccoli, which is right there. Then we got this stuff as a combo deal. So a pack of blueberries. I'll have this with my oats in the morning. Some strawberries, citrus. The weakest pack of bananas I've ever seen, and the pineapple. I forgot what it was called. Then my girlfriend got herself some sweet corn. I love spinach because I can have it with breakfast, lunch, dinner, whenever I can have a bunch of it. Lettuce for volume. As I said, if you watch the full day of eating, volume. So spinach, lettuce, everything that's high volume. Tomatoes, and this is probably my favorite. Basmati rice in a 2 kilogram bag that you buy. Is that not sweet? Sela rice, this is for you. Shout out. Then I have Kellogg's over here. Usually I have this post-workout, but they had no like the normal Rice Krispies. So I got Kellogg's, so I'll have this every day post-workout. Then for my girlfriend, her favorite, 2-minute noodles. 2 of my weeknights I'm going to be having burgers, so that's why there's 4 breaded rolls. 2 cans of tuna. This is the bomb. Lifestyle foods. Yeah, lifestyle foods. This stuff is... I can drink this like water. We did not buy this today, we bought it yesterday. But it's sugar-free maple flavored syrup. And like usually these brands that make zero sugar sauces and syrups aren't that great. But this is really good. Then we bought some spice for our chicken and mince. We have a bunch of spices, but this is just an addition to them. And then for today, just because I'm a bit lazy, I got my rice and my veg already pre-cooked. So it's roasted veg and normal basmati rice. Then we got our 2 new monsters that we'll be going to do a taste test tonight. So head on over to the Instagram to see that. My girlfriend and I are going to be doing it together. That's going to be something to watch out for. And then she got herself Frutella. Get that shit out of here. Then sunlight, because to do YouTube videos I need clean clothes every week. Trash cans, because we all carry baggage around. And 2 packs of kitchen towels. And if you're a bodybuilder, these come in handy in the bathroom. Just kidding. So that's everything that we eat in a week. It doesn't look, it is a lot of food, but if you actually cook it up, it's not that much. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this type of video. I'll definitely be making more of them. My video skills are becoming better, as well as my cameraman behind there skills are getting better. Camera woman, sorry, skills are getting better. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications, Enzo. And I'll see you guys in the next video.